Hi, welcome to this conversation with Zetwerk Manufacturing. Myself Kishore, responsible for sales. I have joined with my colleague Jagabandhu, head of Microsoft practice at SDS. SDS stands for Software and Digital Solutions at Bosch. This is into IT, consulting, digital and engineering services. Today, we'll have a conversation with Zetwerk Manufacturing, who have just gone live on their ERP. We will discuss with them their experience in this digital transformation journey. Before we start the conversation, let me introduce Zetwerk. Zetwerk Manufacturing was founded in 2018 by 5 founders, namely Amrit Acharya, Srinath Ramakrishnan, Vishal Chaudhary, Rahul Sharma and Ankit Fatehpuria. Zetwerk Manufacturing is the global source of manufacturing across industrial and consumer products. Zetwerk offers manufacturing solutions across industries such as oil and gas, renewables, aerospace, infrastructure, apparel, electronics and retail. Zetwerk's business is divided into 2 broad categories. The first one, industrial manufacturing, and the second one, consumer products manufacturing. To give you some numbers, in the financial year 2020-21, they clocked in a revenue of 835 crores. And within 1 year, the turnover grew up to 6 times, close to 5,000 crores in the financial year 21-22. Today, Zetwerk, which is headquartered in Bengaluru, it's the fastest growing digital manufacturing platform in the world, having 10 plus legal entities across the globe. So today I have with me 2 key stakeholders of Zetwerk. Let me introduce them. Mr. Varchas Bansal, Senior Director, and his team member, Ms. Manisha Sahai, General Manager, both from the Business Excellence team at Zetwerk. So let me start my first question to Manisha. There are so many products in the market. So how did you zero in on Microsoft Dynamics 365?
I'll be honest, I think we did not go for any complex mechanism of doing benchmarkings and all of that. The process was very objective. As you mentioned, our organization was going through hypergrowth, which meant that we need to keep all processes very dynamic. We need to have agility, right? And that means that while we do that, we will need a lot of customizations. Dynamics 365 seemed like the application where we can allow a lot of customizations. So I think that was foremost. The other thing is also that we have a very strong internal stack of custom applications built by our own product and tech team. We wanted an ERP which can be easily integrated with all of these applications, and there's no technical challenge in doing the integrations. I believe all the primitive ERPs didn't give us that confidence. I think the last was also the fact that as an organization we are very, very young. And while we say that, we needed a user interface and a user experience that is not very early date. And D365 was objectively decided by the org.
Thank you, Manisha. Okay, so now I switch over to Varchas. So Varchas, might be the choice of selecting D365 was perhaps easier. So what criteria you chose to select Bosch as the implementing partner?
I think an interesting question, and definitely it was not easy because we all know that ERP implementation is a long run process, so can't make a mistake here. So won't go through the entire process, but would tell like topmost what comes to my mind. First was definitely when we were looking for an implementation partner, we wanted somebody to have we wanted the implementation partner to have a manufacturing experience because it's very, very important for us. Second is with respect to the implementation experience of D365 itself. We wanted the implementation partner to be pro in that. Third, as Manisha told about the strong product stack what we have of custom applications built by our in-house team, we wanted somebody to have that technical expertise to integrate D365 with the external systems. And last but not the least, the aspirations what we have, like Zetwerk as an organization is going global. We wanted our implementation partner to have that international presence because this journey is not going to stop here. We would like to expand whatever systems we're implementing in India to outside world as well.
Thanks, Varchas. You made my day and for shortlisting Bosch. Might be, Jaga, you have some questions to ask about the project?
So Manisha, now that you have gone live with this application, what was your overall experience with Bosch?
I think that's a very vast question to answer, but I think I'll mention the highlight. The highlight is any organization that goes live, right? there is generally a downtime. There's a business interruption due to the huge data migrations that we do. There's a cutover exercise. I think the highlight was that Bosch as a partner was really open to the fact that we needed zero downtime, which meant that till date we've had zero business interruptions in the entire go live journey, right? Which means that there has been a business continuity, which I would say is the highlight of this implementation. And I think other than that, what really mattered was the change management, right? How we handle that. And I think from day zero of implementation, Bosch has been key to making sure that the key users, which is the direct customer for Bosch, is handheld well. So I think that is where we are really delighted.
Thank you.
Might be I would like to ask Virtus, now you've been gone live about a couple of weeks now. How do you use Microsoft Dynamics 365 to steer your business?
So one very important aspect here is we always wanted to have a single source of truth for financial reporting, and at the current stage, so D365 would help as in providing the single source of truth for Zetwerk as an organization. Second, D365 will bring a lot of control for the governance and compliance which we wanted, because Zetwerk has reached that particular level where we need all this. Third is, it would help in increasing the productivity for our employees because there are multiple modules. I'll give example of few, such as material requisition planning, inventory management, production control. That would definitely help in increasing the efficiency of the entire processes what we do at Zetwerk.
Thanks Virtus and Manisha. It was a wonderful conversation. I just want to ask one last question. If you would like to describe working with Bosch in one word, what would that be?
I would say it would be customer-centric.
Oh, thank you very much. We are honored. We wish you good luck with your journey. Count on us with the digital transformation in your journey to grow leaps and bounds. Thank you very much, Manisha. Thank you very much, Virtus.
Thank you.